In just 90 days, you can change your life. From knowing nothing to becoming a certified hydroponic expert. No soil, no confusion, no waiting. Just pure learning and growth. Welcome to the Modern Hydroponic Certificate course by Maximum Cultivator, where your green journey begins. Hydroponics is not the future, it's the now. No soil, less water, faster growth, and cleaner food. In cities, on rooftops, in apartments, anyone can farm now. India's market for clean food and modern farming is exploding. Hydroponics is your chance to grow smarter, healthier, and richer. In our 90-day certificate course, you'll learn hydroponic system setup, NFT, DWC, Dutch buckets, nutrient management light, pH, EC, and environment control, crop planning for profit marketing and business models. Bonus: real-life farm case studies plus 24/7 community support. Freshers, farmers, working professionals, startup dreamers. If you want a side hustle, a career change, or to start your own modern farm, this is your sign. Here's what you'll walk away with: a professional certificate to boost your career, lifetime access to course materials, one-on-one guidance and mentorship, business plan, templates, and growth strategies, and access to India's #1 hydroponics community. You don't need land, you don't need lakhs, you just need 90 days and the will to grow. Join over 1,000 plus learners who've already transformed their lives with us. Let's build your dream farm together. Ready to grow your skills, your career, and your income? Enroll now in the Modern Hydroponic Certificate course. Limited seats, lifetime value. Click the link in description or visit www.maximumcultivator.com. Like, share, and follow Maximum Cultivator for more green revolutions.